Yo guys, how's it going? AK Moto here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this package that I got from Motosport. And yes, because I know somebody might comment, I am opening the box upside down. This is just to hide the shipping label so I don't have to black them out with a Sharpie. Alright, there we go, got it unboxed. And here we are. So, first we have a set of radiator hoses, carburetor hoses, crankcase vent hoses, pretty much every hose you have on your bike that's in blue. This kit comes with a moto hose. It's mainly for the aesthetics, but also just to give a little bit quicker or a little stronger of a cooling system so I can upgrade the radiator cap in the future if I want to. Next, we have some fork stickers. Since I might get my forks tuned soon, yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but got some factory effects fork stickers, and that's my cat showing here. So, got some of those, so for when we get our stuff dialed in. We got some Maxima SC1. I recently ran out of this stuff, so I wanted to buy some more. As well as, if I ever get an exhaust in the future, or just to have, just in case I ever need it, I have an exhaust spring puller tool, just in case I ever need to do any work with my exhaust on my two-stroke. So yeah, we didn't order too much, but yeah, I do pay for all the mods on my dirt bike and stuff like this. So basically all of this I paid for with allowance and stuff, and yeah, pretty much paid for all of this. So there it is. This is all from Motosport. I'll try and link the products that I have here in the description. So I guess we can kind of unbox this little moto hose packaging. Comes in a nice little neat bag. You know, nothing special, nothing fancy or anything. Just a little bag. Kevin's playing in the little air things. So yeah, here it is. We have some radiator hoses. Pretty cool, and a nice bright blue, you know. Sorry about the lighting, guys, but trust me, guys, in person it's a bright blue. So yeah, basically these are a little higher of a diameter, a little bigger, a little stronger than the stock ones. So if I wanted to upgrade my radiator cap to a slightly more high pressure one, I could. Comes with 4 radiator hoses. Here, I'll get them out of the package for you. Here they are. We have a few coupling ones, and then we got the main 2 over here. I'll do an install video on how to install these. Nice thing about the kit is it also comes with a lot of other accessories. So it comes with a lot more blue tubing. Some of these are different diameter for whatever you're going to use them for. And then the rest of the carburetor hoses are in there. And it also comes with some instructions and stickers. I'll get those out for you guys. Sorry, this is out of the frame. I'll put some of the stuff back in the bag here. Cat chilling around. Just kind of walking around, investigating what new things we have. Alright, there we go. So it comes with 2 pretty cool looking stickers. Yeah, cool. And we have installation. It says you should use some WD-40 pliers, you know, just to help you install them, and some more instructions. So yeah, 2 sets of instructions just so you don't have any issues putting on your new radiator hoses. Yeah. Next, we're gonna move on to well, obviously Maxima SC1. I'm not gonna. Well, Kevin's scared of it because it rattles, but you really don't have to unbox this. This is just a detailer, a silicone spray. Works really well. I love it. Especially if you're trying to sell a bike or sell a pair of boots, you can throw a little bit of that on there. I have some here factory effects, fork specs, stickers. Basically, these are just to write what your things are. like rebound damping and stuff, since I might try and get those set up. Just the clickers, guys. I had a few people asking if I'm gonna just send the suspension off to someone, but no, I'm only gonna get the clickers done. So yeah, nothing too crazy. You know, just getting it set up, getting it worked. It's nice. And so here we are. So we have rider. So it comes with 3, 2 for the front and 1 for the rear. I'll probably only use 1 for the front, 1 for the rear, and 1 extra. So it has a rider, spec number, like that's for like factory teams, compression, rebound, oil level, and then spring if you change the springs. Everything else is gonna be stock. So the only thing I'd mess with is compression and rebound. And now our little FMF exhaust spring puller tool. It's pretty simple packaging. Nice thing is FMF only put 1 staple right there. So it's easy for you to just kind of take out of the packaging. It doesn't take 5 hours. Oh, and there it is. It's not too big of a tool, but it is, well, a spring puller tool. Gets your springs so you can pull them, unbox them, get them off just in case you get a new exhaust. Yeah, spring puller tool, pretty basic. Feels pretty strong. It's pretty heavy in the hand, so I'm sure it'll work pretty well. And then it has a few exhausts that they have, popular exhausts. So that's pretty neat. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I believe we got a sticker pack from Motosport, or maybe not. Aw, don't tell me they didn't send me one. Aw, they didn't send me one. Dang. Yeah, that's alright. Normally they send us a sticker pack, but that's cool. I have a lot of them already because of how much stuff I buy from Motosport. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. My little unboxing. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.